Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Vegan Dose, your go-to channel for everything vegan and vibrant. Today we're diving into an exciting topic. What vegan food to take camping? Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, having the right food can make your outdoor adventure absolutely unforgettable. Ready to enjoy the great outdoors with some delicious vegan eats? Let's get started. And before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more awesome vegan tips and inspiration. Introduction: the joy of vegan camping. Camping is a fantastic way to connect with nature, relax, and recharge. And just because you're away from your kitchen doesn't mean you have to compromise on delicious and nutritious vegan meals. With a bit of planning, you can enjoy flavorful and satisfying meals that keep you energized for all your adventures. Planning your camping meals. The key to a successful camping trip is planning ahead. Think about the number of days you'll be camping and plan your meals accordingly. Make a list of all the ingredients you'll need and pack them in easy-to-carry containers. Planning also helps minimize waste and ensures you have everything you need. Breakfast ideas. 1. Overnight oats. Prepare your oats in advance and store them in mason jars. Add your favorite fruits, nuts, and plant-based milk. They're quick, easy, and perfect for a healthy start to your day. You can even mix different flavors for variety. Think peanut butter banana or apple cinnamon. 2. Vegan pancake mix. Pack a pre-made vegan pancake mix and some plant-based milk powder. Just add water and you're ready to make pancakes over the campfire. Top them with fresh fruits or maple syrup for an extra treat. Lunch options. 1. Veggie wraps. Bring along tortillas, hummus, and a variety of veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach. Easy to assemble and delicious to eat. You can also add some pre-cooked tofu or tempeh for added protein. 2. Chickpea salad. Mix canned chickpeas with chopped veggies, vegan mayo, and spices. It's a refreshing and protein-packed lunch option. Add some avocado or a squeeze of lemon for an extra burst of flavor. Snacks. 1. Trail mix. Create your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a bit of dark chocolate. It's the perfect energy boost for those long hikes. Customize it with your favorite ingredients for a personal touch. 2. Fruit and nut bars. Make your own or buy some store-bought vegan bars. They're convenient and packed with nutrients. Look for ones with minimal ingredients and no added sugars for a healthier option. Dinner ideas. 1. Vegan chili. Make a big pot of vegan chili at home and bring it along. Just heat it up over the campfire for a hearty and satisfying dinner. Pair it with some cornbread or a simple salad for a complete meal. 2. Grilled veggies. Pack a variety of veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Season them with your favorite spices and grill them for a tasty meal. You can also prepare veggie skewers with a mix of vegetables and marinated tofu. Desserts. 1. S'mores. Yes, you can enjoy s'mores as a vegan. Bring along vegan marshmallows, dark chocolate, and graham crackers. Roast the marshmallows over the fire and enjoy this classic camping treat. For a twist, try adding a slice of banana or a smear of nut butter. 2. Fruit kebabs. Skewer some fruits like pineapple, strawberries, and bananas. Grill them for a sweet and healthy dessert. You can also drizzle them with a bit of maple syrup or sprinkle with cinnamon for extra flavor. Drinks. 1. Herbal teas. Pack some herbal tea bags for a relaxing drink around the campfire. Chamomile, mint, and rooibos are great options. 2. Smoothie packs. Prepare smoothie packs with frozen fruits and greens. Blend them with water or plant-based milk for a refreshing drink. These are perfect for a quick breakfast or a midday snack. Cooking gear. Don't forget to pack the right cooking gear. A portable stove, pots and pans, utensils, and a cooler for perishables are essential for your camping trip. Consider bringing a camping kettle for hot drinks and a lightweight cutting board for food prep. Tips for packing. 1. Use reusable containers. Pack your food in reusable containers to reduce waste. Opt for silicone bags, glass jars, and stainless steel containers. 2. Keep it simple. Opt for meals that are easy to prepare and require minimal cooking. Focus on recipes that can be made with just a few ingredients and basic equipment. 3. Stay organized. Label your containers and keep similar items together for easy access. This will save you time and make meal prep more efficient. Wrapping up, there you have it, my fellow adventurers. With these vegan camping food ideas, you're all set for a delicious and nutritious outdoor experience. Remember, the key to a successful camping trip is planning ahead and keeping things simple. Enjoy the beauty of nature and the joy of eating well, no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Vegan Dose for more vegan tips and recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Have a fantastic camping trip, and remember to enjoy every bite of your vegan adventure. Until next time, stay kind to yourself, to others, and to our beautiful planet. Happy camping!